So these markers are liquid chalk markers. They can go on any non-porous surface. So mostly we're showing you on a window, but also like they can go on anything. So this is a fridge, a green fridge. Shows up really well. Ooh, that's a really bright one. I would give that one an A+ myself. So many different colors to choose from. So many different. The metallic are not super metallic-y, to be honest. Here's gold. Not real impressed with the metallicness of the metallic-y ones. Okay, before every use, you want to shake them well with the cap on in the upright position. You push the marker tip slightly to get the ink flowing, the liquid chalk flowing, and replace the cap tightly. And you always want to store these like this, guys. Store them with the caps out like this. Do not store them upright. This is going to help them last the longest, get the longest life. You want to store them in a horizontal position. But really good, bright, vivid colors, really fun. Fun for kids. They clean up easily, clean off easily. You do need to use some water. You do need to use a little bit of elbow grease, but they will completely clean off. So many color choices. Really fun for doing commercial artwork, menu artwork for like a coffee shop or a bakery or cafe. Super for doing artwork for a small business to post prices or menu specials. We plan on using them on our dry erase board with my children's class I have on Wednesday nights. Again, though, they're not gonna come off super easily. You have to use water to get them off. And yeah, that was a little wet there, but in general they don't. If you let it dry, did that a little quick. If you let it dry, it's not gonna smear. Hard to get off without water. You need water to clean them up. That's the mint green. Let's see how it goes on the cloud. It doesn't go on top of a dry cloud very well. This is definitely can be really thin if you want it to be thin. Mint. They work really well. Ink comes out really well. Very aesthetically pleasing. I love all the colors it gives you. Non-toxic, they're water-based, they're easy wipe off. This one comes with 30 different colors. You have chisel and bullet tips. This is a bullet tip. I'm super happy with this. Liquid chalk markers. These are so fun, colorful, vibrant, great for any kind of non-porous surface. Your refrigerator, a window, a car window, a dry erase board, menu boards. Have fun with them. Be creative.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.